For generations, maintaining a clean bathroom has meant relying on physical labor and harsh chemicals. It's an endless cycle of scrubbing rough porcelain, kneeling on hard floors, and bracing against cold seats in the middle of the night. Yet, while the rest of our homes have upgraded to automated thermostats, robot vacuums, and lights that respond to our presence, the bathroom has largely remained stuck in the analog era. By 2026, that dynamic has finally shifted. A modern toilet has evolved from a passive porcelain basin into an active, automated machine designed to maintain itself. Automating these tasks replaces the variability of manual scrubbing with a predictable, high-frequency cleaning cycle that significantly raises a household's baseline hygiene. The entry point into this ecosystem doesn't actually require tearing out your existing plumbing. A retrofit bidet seat, like the Bidet BB2000, bolts directly onto your current fixture to deliver continuous warm water cleansing. This diagram illustrates the mechanical difference. On the left, older bidets rely on a small, finite reservoir of heated water that eventually runs cold mid-use. On the right, a tankless heating system passes water directly through an active heating coil on demand, ensuring the temperature remains consistently warm for as long as the water flows. Stepping up to a full replacement fixture brings us to the Horo X70, where proximity sensors completely remove the need to touch the unit. Walk into the room and the lid opens. Walk away and the system closes the lid and flushes. Look at this cross-section of the X70's bowl. When triggered, the system generates a thick layer of foam above the waterline. This barrier cushions falling waste to eliminate splashing, physically traps odors, and lubricates the porcelain so waste slides away cleanly. These accessible systems successfully engineer away the most immediate physical discomforts of the bathroom, the cold shocks, the splashes, and the lingering odors, all without demanding major architectural changes to your home. Beyond surface-level comfort, true automation requires absolute mechanical reliability. The CANEST TC500 Pro is a unit built specifically for raw clearing power. This chart displays the industry's maximum performance, or MAP, flushing standard. It measures exactly how much solid waste a toilet can clear in a single flush. The TC500 Pro caps out at exactly 1,000 grams, the highest possible threshold on the scale, guaranteeing a complete clear every single time. It generates that force through a dual flush design, applying maximum pressure only for solid waste and using a fraction of the volume for liquids. The result is a highly pressurized clear that actually reduces your household's total water consumption over time. But power without control is inefficient. The TC500 Pro features an integrated network of ambient environmental sensors that constantly monitor the temperature of the room it sits in. As the seasons shift and the bathroom gets colder in December or warmer in July, the system reads those fluctuations and adjusts the seat and bidet water temperatures to match the surrounding climate. A machine that requires you to constantly adjust its settings isn't truly smart. By actively anticipating environmental shifts and adapting its own parameters, this technology removes the need for human input entirely. Moving into the luxury tier, the design philosophy shifts toward architectural minimalism. The Kohler Veil completely eliminates the bulky traditional water tank from its silhouette. Instead of relying on stored gravity, it connects directly to your home's water supply line. Drawing water on demand guarantees consistent, high-pressure flushes while dramatically reducing the physical footprint of the fixture. With the space saved, Kohler prioritizes maintaining internal sterility. The Veil features a completely automated, chemical-free sanitization protocol for its stainless steel bidet wand. Between uses, a built-in UV light activates to eradicate bacteria on the wand's surface, while the system flushes the internal mechanics with electrolyzed water, utilizing its natural antibacterial properties. At the luxury tier, the engineering focus shifts to the active, continuous sterilization of the machine's own internal components. The absolute apex of integrated bathroom design is the Toto Nearest NX2. Its physical baseline is formidable all on its own. It utilizes a 360-degree centrifugal flush that consumes just 0.8 gallons of water, sweeping across a microscopic ion barrier glaze that prevents minerals and waste from gripping the ceramic. The true engineering marvel of the NX2 is Actolite, a proprietary photocatalytic cleaning system built directly into the hardware. Ultraviolet light from the lid strikes a titanium dioxide coating baked into the bowl. The resulting photocatalytic reaction causes complex organic molecules to rapidly shatter and break apart. Because organic matter is broken down molecularly, eliminating manual scrubbing, debris is simply swept away by electrolyzed water. By synchronizing fluid dynamics, ultraviolet physics, and surface chemistry, the NX2 creates a self-maintaining loop that prevents organic buildup before it can begin. The success of these ultra-premium machines lies in systems-level engineering. Water flow, UV light, and advanced coatings don't just exist side by side. They work continuously in harmony to maintain a sterile environment. Whether you install an accessible retrofit seat or invest in a $6,000 architectural centerpiece, the core objective remains exactly the same. Slight pause for effect. Modern engineering has eradicated one of our most universally dreaded household chores, turning the bathroom into a space of effortless, touch-free luxury.